A for ant. B for ball. C for car. D for duck. E for egg. F for frog. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for joker. K for king. L for leaf. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for pen. Q for quail. R for rose. S for star. T for tree. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Z for zoo.